Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily hide your photos on your gallery on iPhone. So for doing this, just open Photos and just click on Select and just select photo you want to hide. So just click on the Share button. So just click on Share button and just scroll to Hide. So here you will see Hide, so just choose Hide, choose Hide Photo. And now just go back and here you will see hidden, other albums hidden. So just open and here you can see our photos. Also unhide, you can just choose this image, just click share and here you will see hide. Unhide. So just click unhide and here you can see that it successfully unhide our photos. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.